I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather with the warm front boosting highs mostly to the mid-70s to the low 80s and the mid to upper 80s over southwest Nebraska to northwest Kansas. Elevated to near critical fire weather concerns continue through this late afternoon. Northwest wind gusts of 30 to 45 are likely by tomorrow afternoon with the passage of a cold front and low pressure tracking across the northern plains. Some sprinkles may occur as that cold front moves through tonight through early tomorrow. Daytime highs cooling slightly to the mid-60s to the low 70s for tomorrow. A ridge of high pressure keeps it dry as highs warm back into the 70s to the low 80s Thursday through Saturday. Another cold front dropping our daytime highs back to the mid-60s to the mid-70s for Sunday and Monday. Elevated to near critical fire weather concerns continue during the afternoon in those drier areas. There are signs the milder temperatures will come to an end in the next couple of weeks. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures remain warmer than normal the early half of next week. That's before a trend of seasonal to slightly warmer than normal temperatures late next week through October 30th. Rainfall for Sunday through October 30th in Nebraska and Kansas indicated to be slightly above normal with the better precipitation chances to our northwest. A cold front crossing the northern plains ends quiet weather in the Midwest and the eastern U.S. for the late week. Tomorrow, rain develops across the upper Midwest, with rainfall becoming more widespread late in the week from the Mississippi River eastward. Some of the heaviest rain falls in the Northeast, where 5-day totals could reach 1 to 2 inches or more. For the Midwest, this week's rain making it difficult to complete the harvest, but winter wheat benefits from increased soil moisture. In the rain's wake, a reinforcing surge of cool air engulfs the Midwest and Northeast. Farther west, late-season warmth is quickly reestablished across the plains. Aside from the rains in the Midwest and East, precipitation is scarce. No rain is expected in the next 5 days from the central and southern plains and west to California. Across the central and southern plains, better rainfall expected for next week. For Europe, widespread rain is likely in the next couple of weeks in western and southern areas, which favors winter wheat and other grain establishment where soil moisture had been falling. Australia's dry weather this week is unfavorable for filling wheat and canola. Rain chances are better this weekend into next week in Australia, but rain amounts are expected to be low. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.